here is the paper towel roll vacuum testing. This might become a series, I don't know, depending on how many viewers I get. So, alright, so we got the dual Sanatronic 80, Kenmore Progressive, Shark Rotator, Hoover U4315. Our first two contestants to see who sucks up the paper towel roll first is the Shark and the Hoover. Brush rolls will be off. So, and this one, the brush roll is disconnected. They're all at their highest setting. That one doesn't have setting, but yeah. So, real quick before I do this, I just thought I should probably put these on a different plug so I don't overpower that plug. I'm pretty sure they're on the same circuit, but it's still a lot. All right, so first is this. I'm not really sure. I'm trying to, okay. I don't know what to do with my phone, so. I'm so sorry, guys, if this isn't a good view, but let's hope it is. So, we got Shark and Hoover convertible. Turn on the Shark first. So, obvious winner was the Hoover. So, the Shark is out. Wah, 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 wah. It was kind of an obvious winner, though. We all knew the Hoover was gonna win. Up next, we have the Kenmore Progressive. The brush roll is off, and put it on the highest setting. All right. Let's see if this even sections. Alright, so it was just an unfair battle. Kenmore wins. Good job, Kenmore. All right. Up next, we have the dual Sanatronic IE. I'll have to use this as my stand for my phone. Put you guys here. Alrighty. This might be another kind of thing. All right, all the way up. that is pretty surprising. I actually kind of thought the Kenmore would win, but no. D81. That's kind of cool. Now just for funsies, we'll do this. And these are our top competitors. So whoever wins this will be the winner. And place your bets now. I think the D80 will win. Looks like D81. I had to lift this up to get it to suck. So, congratulations to our winner, the Dual Sanitronic 80 from 1969.